Shimichar! What's that? Fish, oh, you know. Wow! Wow! O, di ba iba-iba klase fish yan, Micho? Look. Look, what's that? Fish. Say fish. Fish. Wow, fish. Punta tayo dito. Wait. Gusto niya. Wow.
Grabe si Char. Wow.
Sabi niya, wow.
Grabe yan, isang siya.
Wow.
Oh, you hold the fish po. You hold the fish. Hold the fish. Hi, fish.
Big eyes. Hello. Oh, let's go. Let's go.
Look at the frog. 1, 2, 3, smile. Show me your pocket face. Oh, again. Go inside.
Let's go inside.
There's a big shark there. Let's see
Let's
the
go to
mama
baby
shark.
shark and the big shark.
Mommy shark. There's a mommy shark. Mami, anong ginagawa mo dyan? Oh, no!
Halika na, halika na. Wow, that's a Pirarucu, king of the Amazon. Ang laki, oh.
Delikado yan, di ba? Ganyan, kailangan. Delikado yan.
Ay, dito, fish ka naman. Ano kayo nandito?
Fish.
Anong sabi? Yung stingray. Down here. The fish.
Wow! Wow! Ulo.
Oh, 1, 2, 3, smile. Nakita niyo yung feather po. Tap the feather there.
Oops, careful. Look at your duck, oh. Wa. Wa. Wa.